Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add vanilla Visa gift card to your Cash App. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about it frankly, you cannot directly add a vanilla Visa gift card to your Cash App. Instead, you can link the gift card to your PayPal or Venmo and then transfer the funds to your Cash App account. So to do this, you need to simply link the gift card to PayPal or Venmo. So once you have done this, you need to now transfer the funds. As in, once the gift card is linked to PayPal or Venmo, you can simply transfer the funds to your associated bank account. You need to make sure the bank account linked to your Venmo or PayPal is the same one connected to your Cash App. Now simply add funds to your Cash App. By using this, you can simply fund or deposit into your linked bank account by adding them to your Cash App balance. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many updating videos like this.